In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn money promoting Clickbank products on Instagram for free. Now, people are doing this method and earning up to $200 per day. So stay tuned and watch it all the way until the end. So first, before we choose a niche and we grab our affiliate link and we start making money, we need to come to clickbank.com and sign up. Most of you have probably already got your account on this platform already. So go ahead and sign up. I'm going to log into mine now. So here we are inside of the affiliate marketplace. Now you can see you've got the top offers here, you've got some saved offers, and you've got new offers. Now you can choose from the top offers if you want, but that's just going to give you a broad list of all of these top offers. My advice to you, when you're promoting on Instagram, you need to choose a niche. Now when choosing a niche, what I would recommend is you choose something that you understand a little bit about and you're kind of interested in. Now the top niches, in my opinion, if we go to all here, you can see e-business and e-marketing, computers and internet, e-business and e-marketing is always going to be big. Diets are always going to be big. Fitness is always going to be big, and so is weight loss. So if you can enter any of them 3 or 4 niches, you're going to be golden. For the sake of the video, I'm going to show you an example in the make money online niche, and I'll also show you a pretty obscure niche as well. But for the main example, I'll show you in the make money online niche because I make money online videos, you watch make money online videos, so it's just easy for us to both understand. So I'm going to go to all here. We're going to go to e-business and e-marketing, and that's going to open up all of the products in the e-business and e-marketing niche. So if we scroll down here, we can check out some of these products. Now, some of these products are going to be aimed at more like work from home styled opportunities, and some of these products are going to be like massive business building opportunities. So again, even in the make money online niche, there are sub niches that you can enter, and that's why Instagram is great, because you can niche down your page. You can target the very specific person you want to target. So I'm going to go ahead and find a product here that we can promote on Instagram. I'll show you how you can get your link, then I'll show you how you can promote it and send thousands of targeted traffic to that Clickbank offer. So I'm going to promote this product here, trending in 2022, work from home online jobs. If we just take a look at the landing page, you can see start working and earning online, discover how to become an online assistant. So this is essentially a course which shows people how they can become an online assistant and how they can make money working from home. Now, if someone buys this product, we're going to earn $13.37. So we can promote this by clicking on promote. We can then enter in our nickname and create hop link, and we can then get our tracking link, which is going to redirect to this page. And if someone buys after clicking on it, Clickbank will know they came from us and they will credit us and pay us. So we can now grab our link. So I'll copy the link, and what I recommend you do is go to a website like bit.ly.com. Here you can scroll down and you can just simply shorten that link. So if we paste in this link, which is quite long, you can see, you can then shorten it, and Bitly will shorten it into a shortened URL. If you do sign up for a free version of Bitly, you can change these characters here, but for the sake of the video, we'll just leave it like this and we'll copy it. So now you can promote it using Instagram free traffic, and here's some methods how you can do that. So I've got a couple of accounts open now. This is the first one. Now this is an Instagram theme page in the make money online niche. Now this is aimed at more people that want to start a business. You can see helping people to make 1K a day online. We would create one that helps people how to get work from home jobs, and it shows people how to earn extra money online. We're not trying to target business people who are trying to make 1K a day. But what this Instagram profile does, they have the link to their product in the bio, and they re-upload other people's TikToks which have gone viral on TikTok. Now you can see here, if we go to Reels, some of these Instagram Reels are getting crazy traction, and if you scroll down, you can see this one's got 7,000 views, 3,000 views, 6,000. This one here over here on the left has 17,000. And these are all people's TikToks which have been re-uploaded onto this Instagram kind of like community page. Now in a second, I'll show you how you can find these viral TikToks, how you can download them and re-upload them to Instagram with crediting the owner, so you can do it 100% legally. And I'm going to show you then how you can drive traffic to your offer. Because what's going to happen, people are going to view these Instagram Reels. They're then going to click on your profile, and if they see you have an opportunity in the bio, some of them are going to click it, and then another percentage of those people are going to buy it, and it's all a numbers game. This person's got 35,000 followers doing this exact method. So to find these viral TikToks, you just want to go to TikTok and just type in something like make money online or online job opportunity or work from home, some of those keywords. You can then go and find these videos. So this one here has 977 1,000 views. So if you click on it, you can then copy this URL, and then if you go to Google and just search for TikTok downloader, you can click on any of these here, and they change over time, so this might not be the one you use, but you can then paste in that link, and you can then download this TikTok. So you can go download server 1, and it's downloading this TikTok here in the bottom left-hand corner. So when you've got this TikTok video downloaded, you can go to your own Instagram theme page, which you've created in the Make Money Online niche, and you can re-upload these, maybe do 5 a day, 10 a day, you just spam these out, and you can get targeted traffic to your Clickbank product. Now, I have got a bonus method for you. I will leave this in the description as well if you want to check this out. Now, this is an app called Omni Commissions, and what it does is it creates niche Clickbank websites basically in a couple of clicks, which drive targeted traffic to your Clickbank products as well. I'll let you go ahead and check it out. You can see new $100,000 a month Clickbank affiliate app. It legally builds your affiliate sites in 1 day. You just set it up and you can then profit. There's no monthly charges or anything like that. I'm going to go ahead and leave it in the description below. If you scroll down here, they've got a sale on at the minute, and it is literally only $10. Check it out if you want. It is worth it. But that's been the method. I hope that did help you out. Please do leave a like and make sure you subscribe.